Hello guys, welcome to our new video and new YouTube channel Freaky Loot. Today I will show you how you can buy any product from Flipkart in very easy way and in very less prices, or you can say at zero price. Okay, so for that you have to go your Flipkart app or the site of Flipkart, where you have to choose a mobile or anything that you want to buy from Flipkart in very less prices or at a zero price. So for that you have to see a thing. So I want to purchase a mobile, so I will like that mobile. Okay, I have chosen the variant 64 GB. Okay, after that you select the mobile. After that what you have to do, you have to just go to your Play Store, and here what you have to do, here you have to search one app which you heard or not heard, I don't know, but I like that app very much, and from that you can also buy a mobile. So the app name is, I will show you the name of app, that is Weekly. It is a very wonderful and best app where you can earn the mobile daily and win daily prizes. Okay, so for that you have to download that app. I will download that app and after that I will again continue this video. So I will start downloading. I have Jio SIM, so it is quite slow, so I will wait till that it is download. Okay, friends, the app has been downloaded. Now it is installed also. After that open it. I will tell everything. Just wait. Click on Mera option. After that click on login and log in with your Google account or any other account. Okay, I am just waiting for login. You have to also wait only for some time. Just I have login. I have my account previously on this app, so I will log in. You can also sign up there. Now you are successfully logged in, and after that you have to click on task option. You will see there all so many options. You have to click on lucky spin, from where you can get free mobile or any other thing. Okay, after you can see there lucky spin. 1 minute. Just wait, friends, you have to wait some time. After that you will see Redmi K20 mobile, 1000 Paytm cash, and so much more you can buy from there. So friends, just download the app and you can win the Redmi K20 mobile from there. Only you have to tap on 50 coins and it will start. Just I will show error. It has something wrong because I have not, I think, 50 coins. Okay, so I will first collect 50 coins, and after you have to do lucky spin. After you do lucky spin, you can easily get Redmi K20 mobile, and I will show how many price it is that you can buy freely from it. So I will take you there to Flipkart and I will show how many price Redmi K20. Redmi K20. See friends, the price of Redmi K20 is in front of you, 21,000, and you are getting that mobile in free from that app. See that, I will show you there. just wait, just wait. I think the site has been okay. You can see there Redmi K20 and their Redmi K20. The 6 GB RAM variant Redmi K20 mobile is available to you in free. See that I can freely spin there without Vcoin. Vcoin is a weekly coins which can you use in this lucky spin to buy the mobile or 1000 rupees betting cash daily. So not wait there and download the app, link in descriptions, and you can earn much more from this app. So friends, I will close the video here and goodbye, and I will meet you in next video. Till that, goodbye.